Good morning, class. I hope I'm audible to everyone. I'm audible to everyone. Okay. So today we are going to deal with the topic how to insert an audio clip there in your presentation. Up till now we have covered how to insert an animation, how to insert a transition. We have discussed already that what is the difference there between an animation and transition. As I have told you earlier, animation is always implemented on the objects of the slide and transition is always implemented on the slides. Animation means how the objects will come on the slide, and transition tells you how one slide will change to another slide. Clear? This difference is clear to everyone? At least nod your head. Okay, so today we are going to deal with how to insert an audio clipping, means a sound there in your PowerPoint presentation slides. Okay, I will just give you an example. You can have experiment with all those. Fine. I'm going to share my screen with you. As I have told you, when we will open the MS PowerPoint, this will be the basic page which you will get on the screen. Yes. Now here, as we need to have some more slides, so I will click on new slide. Then let's have something there on the first slide. Fine. On the second one, let's have something else. Now here, if we want here to add, in this particular area, I want to add a sound that whenever this page comes and when I click on that, a sound should be played. Many times people have seen many slides are being played and a sound is going along with that, or some content is there regarding any person and we need to tell you that what that person has said. So we click on some button and the audio of that person starts. Yes. So that way we can have. Now when you will see here the way of adding our audio, there are two ways. One is if you want to have a pre-recorded audio. Pre-recorded audio means either you can take it from your net or you have recorded it earlier from somewhere and you have kept it there in your system, that you can have, or you can record there itself and then you can insert your audio. Getting? Means pre-recorded you are not having, you want to record there itself. That both the facilities are available. Now here the very first thing that we have to do, as it is given there in your book, I am reading the steps first, then we will follow the steps. The very first thing is select the slide on which you want to add your audio clipping. So I have selected this one. I'm just removing this particular box. I've selected this and I will click on delete. So this box is being deleted. Now below this particular slide where welcome is written, I want to insert my audio clipping. So this particular slide I have decided where I want to insert my audio. Then the next step what we have to do is select the insert tab. Which tab we have to select? We have to go to the insert tab. Now you can see here so many options are available. Now here On these options, you can see at the end, audio is available. Yes, it's very clearly written here. Select the insert tab and click on the audio drop down arrow in the media group. You can see media is written here. Yes, and a drop down arrow is there. So when you will click here, you will find these options. Yes, 3 options are available as audio from file. Audio from file means that already a file you are having, either you have taken it from internet, either you have recorded it earlier or kept from somewhere, any source you have taken it. So it's already there with you. Second one is clip art audio. Clip art audios are those which are already there in your system. Fine. And the last one is the record audio. Understood? Record audio means you can record your sound at that particular moment when you are creating the slide. Then and choose the audio from file option from the menu. As soon as I will click on this particular option, audio from file, I'm going to click now on this particular one. A new window will open like this. Now as this window is clear to everyone. Harsh Punj, is it clear? Continuously laughing, that's why I'm asking Harsh. Any problem is there? Or something else was going on the screen? Well, so here you have to search for that particular file, that particular audio file where you have kept that one. So as right now, before starting the class, I have downloaded a sound. Yes. Many are there. Let me find out the formats are there. Yes. This MP3 file is there, na? Or wait a minute. So here these audio files are available. You can choose any one of them. I'm using just suppose it's there an Indian patriotic song Mile Sur Mera Tumhara. I'm taking that one and click on insert. You can see it's processing. That file has been fetched from there to here. Now you can see a speaker comes now. We have not inserted a speaker icon. Do we? No. Speaker का icon हमने insert नहीं किया. We have inserted a sound clipping. So it could be a sound clipping of small seconds, some seconds it could be, or so here as I have inserted, you can arrange it according to your requirement, and then you can see here play and pause button. Yes, then this is the track. It gives you, it is almost of 9 to 10 minutes song, that much I will not play. And then this is move back 0.25 seconds, and this is forward, and you can see the shortcut keys also for that. Alt plus shift plus left, it will give you the option to go back. How many seconds? 0.25 seconds, and this will give you the options to move forward. So for that, shortcut is Alt plus shift plus right. Fine, and this option will tell you to choose the volume. I'm choosing it to minimum. If you will not hear, then I will increase it. And this particular area will tell you how much track has been moved. I hope this particular part, all those options are clear to everyone now. Yes. Now let's play it. Can you hear it out? Can you hear it? Okay. So this is the simple example. The same way as you are dealing with any kind of specific kind of projects. Yes, in that way you can insert any audio related to that. Clear? Now, as this is a track which we have inserted, now you have seen an audio has been inserted. Yes. Now you can see here option written playback. Yes. Now let's see the steps first, what we have done. Yes. Second step, choose the audio from the file. This is just the second step. Rest many more steps are left. Now insert audio dialog box appear. That dialog box was there from where we have selected the audio. Then to locate your audio file, we have selected this one and we have inserted. The audio file will be added to the slide indicated by the audio icon speaker. You can see this icon no, of a speaker that shows that yes, your audio is being inserted. Two or additional tabs, namely format and playback. You can see here format and playback. Up till earlier these were not there. If I'm just moving out from this speaker icon, you can see that both are vanished. As soon as I'm clicking this, you can see format and playback coming again. Yes, it is very clearly written there. Two additional tabs, namely format and playback. You can see these two additional options appear under the audio tool. You can see written up above audio tools on the top in blue color. Can you see? So audio tools. Now from there on the playback track, this is the tab playback. Now you can see, you can play it, you can add a bookmark to it, you can trim the audio. What is the meaning of trim? Chhat kat karna. You go for trimming of your hairs, right? Yes, boys and girls both go for the trimming of the hairs. What has been done there in trimming? As much as you require, that much has been kept and rest is removed. Similarly, here also it's not always compulsory that you need the complete audio or your complete song. You want just one para or one line or one whatever kind of things. Yes, so this gives you the option to trim. How you will trim? When you will get it here, it will give you the option from the duration, which duration to which duration. You have to just select it, choose it from. It gives you the, you can see the timing. Yes, from where to where you want to start it. This is the starting one, green one, and red one is the ending part. And then you can select and you can play and see. Getting? So this way you can trim the audio. Trim means you can cut a part of the audio. Understood? Let it be cancelled. We don't want to trim it out right now. Fade duration. Fade duration means when it allows it to be light, when it allows it to be exposed out, and these kind of ways. Here also it is fade in, fade out means this is numbers means that is the track and the timing. Volume from here you can start, adjust. Yes. Start, how it will start when you will click your mouse, or you can set a duration automatically, or you can play it across the slides. Across the slides means when the slide comes and when the slide goes. Completely your decision. And hide during show. This speaker will be hidden when the slide has been shown. You don't want that thing to be displayed. Loop until stop. Loop means if a small clipping is there, it goes on playing until you stop it. Rewind after playing. Rewind means it will start from the beginning. Okay. So these all things are there in playback. Let's see what is written there in your book. On the playback tab, the audio option group, select there either automatic or on-click option from the drop-down menu, as I have shown you here, which you want, automatic, on-click, or play across the slide. And then the automatically option will start the sound automatically as soon as the slide appears on the slideshow. When you will choose this option automatically, so as soon as this second slide will come on the screen, that audio clip will start automatically. Clear? Then whereas on click option, it will play the sound only when you will click your left mouse button on that particular speaker. Then To play the sound, click on the audio icon. Play or pause tab appears right below the speaker icon. All these things are there in your book. I have given you more idea regarding that. Yes, a very small tip is also given there in your book. That is to continuously play a sound clip. Select the loop until stop. If you don't want that slide to go on, until unless you are not stopping, when you will desire, then only it will be stopped. So which option you have to select? Which option you have to select? Loop until stop. What is the meaning of loop? What is the meaning of loop? Yes, Pragyan, what is the meaning of loop?
Means to combine something.
Not to combine something, beta. Not combining. Loop is not combining. Yes, Abhinav?
Miss break.
No. Just opposite you are saying. Yes, Abhinav, Raj.
Ma'am, loop means repeating something endless time.
Yes. Loop means repeating it endless times. Endless, not endless times exactly. Looping means repeating the content. In next class, you will study about looping and all. Looping means you have to repeat the things. Definitely, you have to repeat the things. Means as you are talking about a circle. Yes, if a ground, we say that from where you start, if you are taking a round from where you start, you reach there. Yes, from where you are starting, your end point is also at that particular area. And then when you will start again, just suppose loop from here where you started, reach back to the starting point. Screen is clear to everyone? Blackboard? Blackboard is clear to everyone, right? Now here, from where this was the starting point, this was the starting point from where we started and reached here. Again started and reached here. Again started and reached here. Means on the same track you are going on, doing the same thing. On the same track you are running. If I say take the 5 rounds of the ground, means you have taken 5 loops. Getting? So doing the same thing again and again until and unless I am not asking you to stop. Yes, Nitish, what do you Nishit, what do you want to say?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning.
Ma'am, we can move it on to next page also.
Pardon, next
Page also.
then again you are to insert. These things are there for one slide.
Okay, ma'am.
So this was the thing, how to insert a thing from the file which is already there. Yes. Now, in case we are willing to insert your own sound. Before that, let's go to the another one here. At the place of welcome, I'm making audio from file. Because on this slide, we have inserted it from file option. Yes, which option? Audio from file. So the same thing I have written here. Now the next slide, let's go to the next slide. Here I'm writing audio from clipart. Let's see any audio is there or not. Here we want to insert clipart audio. You can see here, as soon as I have clicked here on clipart audio, this window appeared. This part of the window on the right hand side. Is it visible to everyone? Please nod your heads. I'm not talking the statues, right? Okay. So here you can see two options are there. Clap cheers. Just suppose I want anything is there and a slide is there where you need clapping sound. So let's click on this. It is inserted here. Now let's play it. Which sound you have heard? Anyone? Yes, Avarni? Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
What sound you have heard right now?
Sorry, ma'am.
Which sound you have heard right now?
Miss, I can't hear you.
I'm playing it all again.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you heard anything?
No, ma'am. The song is Miss. The voice is not audible.
It's not audible to anyone. Again, have you heard it?
Lesson number 5. Make good friends. This is a related page.
Okay, fine. Let's have somebody else. Lavanya Srivastav also have not heard it. Shreyanshi has heard it. Yes, Shreyanshi?
Miss, I guess any teacher is speaking.
That is the Savarni's background voice was coming, which I have played there right now on the slide that you have heard.
No, Miss. Miss, can you play it again?
I'm increasing the audio sound. The previous sound we have heard when I have inserted the audio,
No, ma'am. I'm not able to hear it.
that also you are not able to hear it.
No, Miss, that I was able to, but this I'm not able to.
Which song was that?
Miss, it was any patriotic song.
Okay, let's see if somebody else have heard it. Agrima? Unmute yourself first, beta. Unmute yourself. Something coming there on your screen, right? No speaker, no dialog box is coming on your screen. Just try to log in again then. Some network issues there. Yes, Vidya? No screen is coming, no dialog box is coming on your screen? No? Pragya?
But it is not coming.
This audio is not coming. The previous audio was clear.
Yes, miss.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, a little late it has came. The audio which you have previously that inserted in that,
Song that
the
was
both,
clear to everyone.
no, the both sound is not coming. No audio is coming.
Everybody is here. Pragya. Please mute yourself from your side. Vidya. Some network issues are there. Otherwise, you can. Steps are clear to everyone. Savarni, the steps are clear to you. Okay. So you can try there in your system also. Okay. So here the sound clip right now, which is there on the screen, which I was playing, that is of clap. Clear? That is for a clapping sound. I'm trying to insert one more. And I'm playing less. I hope that it will be audible to you people. Okay, it is audible to everyone. Okay, I think it's a phone sound. Yes. So this way you people can add the audio clip. Still Sarthak cannot hear it. Sarthak, please switch on your camera first. May I see you? Sarthak 630, roll number 41. Today you are not willing to show your face. No issue. Tomorrow, tomorrow no. Day after tomorrow, your turn will be no. 41 will be there on day after tomorrow. Your chance will be there. Now tomorrow onwards, we will be seeing you people face by face. Okay. So this was with the help of clip art. Understood? Now the third one. Now let's insert a slide there. New slide. Now here I want to insert my own audio. Yeah. So own audio I'm just writing, or recorded audio. What is the option written there? Let's see there. That only we will write. Record audio. Fine. Now here for this, what are the steps? Two are to clear. One file, how to insert a file, then how to insert a clip art, that two are clear to everyone. Now we are going to record our sound. What I am speaking right now, that we are going to record. That steps are different. Here, what are the steps I'm reading from the book? Step by step I will read and I will do it there on the screen so that you can understand it better. So to add your own sound onto the slide, first you will have to record it. Yes. So while recording your sound, it is initial to connect a microphone that is compatible with a computer. A microphone is there so that your audio goes to the system. Then the very first thing is select the slide where you want to record. Definitely this is the very first step. You have to decide on which particular slide you want to insert your recorded audio. Then click on the audio drop down arrow in the media group and you have in the insert tab. So here, this is the insert tab. This is the insert tab, right? This is the media group. This is the media group. This is the audio. And the last one option is given, record audio. As soon as I have clicked here, it gives you an option. It gives you an option to write the name, because when we will record our audio, definitely it will be saved in a kind of a file. Yes. So definitely for that file, some name have to be given. Yes or no? So that file name, because whenever you save any file, you give a name to it. Whenever you save any file, you give a name to it or not? Yes. So here we are going to give a name. I'm writing here first recording. Fine. Now, here the very step is click on the audio drop down arrow. Choose the record audio. Record audio. Okay. Now you can see here number is increasing. Yes. On that red button I have clicked, and as soon as I have clicked, it is started. This number is started. This is showing that what is the length of the audio. Right now, whatever I'm speaking, that is been recorded. And this is the stop button. I have clicked it. You can see here the timing, 25.3. Yes. Now I am going to play it. Can you remember what I have said? I was just explaining regarding this particular audio. Now I'm going to play it. Let's see what happens. Okay. Now, see the number is increasing. Yes. The red button I have played. As soon as I have played, it is started. Number is started. So in that, what is the length of the audio? Right now, whatever I'm speaking, that has been recorded. And this, can you hear what I was speaking here? It was audible to everyone? Yes, I was not speaking. Whatever I have spoken at that particular time, when that number was increasing, that was being recorded. Okay. If you want to cancel, just cancel it. Let's do it again. Let's do it again once more. I have cancelled it. I have not inserted it. What we have to do, we have to go to the insert tab. Then we have to go to media group. In media group, we have to go to audio. Under audio, we have to choose the option record audio. When we will click on record audio, it will give you the chance to name your file. Fine. Fine. You can give any name. I have just given a simple example to it. Now you can see this red button. Yes, you have to click on this one. As soon as you will click on this red button, your recording will start. Sorry. Now I'm starting it. Hello dear students, this is a computer class of class 6. Tomorrow onwards, we will meet physically there in the class and we will have the class there. Fine. Now I have stopped. Why I have spoken something else? So that you can identify that yes, something else was recorded from the leak, whatever was going in the class. Beyond that, I have spoken. Now let's play it. Please hear it carefully. Hello dear students, computer class of class 6. Tomorrow onwards we will meet physically there in the class and we will have the class there. Right? And as soon as I will click OK here, earlier I have cancelled, so that was not inserted. As soon as I will click here OK, when it is final that yes, you have decided that this audio which I have recorded is good, then you can insert it here. You can see the speaker icon here, right? Now let's play. This is his speaker icon. Let's play it. Hello dear students, this is a computer class of class 6. Tomorrow onwards we will meet physically there in the class and we will have the class there. Right? Understood? Understood everyone? Now that's all from my side for today. Now let's have a interaction and let's take some queries. Now because this is the query session now, 10 minutes are there. Lavanya, please switch on your camera, then only I can give you the answer. Yes, Agrima, what do you want to say?
Ma'am, I'm saying that in my laptop, format option is not coming.
Not coming.
No, ma'am.
What version you are using?
Ma'am, Microsoft PowerPoint.
Which version of that, beta?
Ma'am, 2010.
No issue. You will.
And when I'm adding the audio of clap sound, then it is not playing. How to play it? It is saying how do you want to
Play button.
the sound to start. Sorry.
Click on this play button down below it.
It is saying that automatically or when clicked.
Choose the option. When clicked, you choose the option.
Ma'am, it is not coming.
Fine. Right now, if it's not coming there on your system, when you will come here in the practical lab, you can do the practical and whatever issues will be there, that will be sorted out there. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
You're coming, no, from tomorrow. You people have seen the timetable? Pragyan, have you seen the timetable? Agrima? Yes. So in your class, I'm going to teach maths, not computer. You have not seen the timetable, I think now. In 6th also, I'm going to teach maths. Yes, Lavanya?
Miss, I have seen the timetable.
So what subject I'm going to teach?
Miss, maths only.
Hmm.
Miss, many teachers are different. Changed.
No issue, book is same, no?
Yes, Miss.
So what was
Miss, and
Lavanya?
Miss, I want to ask that concerned letter. We have to print our from mobile.
That printout you can, yes, from WhatsApp also you can take the printout beta. You can, wherever you will go, no, to the printing shop, they will, you have to just say that this is the file out there on my WhatsApp. I want a printout of it. They will give it to you.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Pragya and Prakhar.
Miss, in my laptop also format option is not coming.
Maybe the version issue is there. Okay? You people are going to come from tomorrow. 6th F, I'm going to teach computer. Yes. So there, in the practical lab, no issue. Other students of other sections don't get demoralized that Mrs. is not going to be there. Every teacher is going to support you in the same way. Okay? Only the thing is you have to place your queries in front of that teacher. You have to place your query in front of your teacher, then only that person will be able to solve out your issue. Okay? Don't keep your queries with you. You have to discuss. Yes, Pragyan?
Now I want to ask that in media group, one option is given embedded. What embedded flash? What it is?
Embedded? Here the
Flash.
embedded flash here. Embedded flash is when you study about flash. No, flash is also a kind of software.
Okay, ma'am.
Flash is also a kind of software which allows you to create some animations, as it is there in Scratch programming, right? So it also gives you the facility to create some animations which you can insert here. Getting? Okay, Pragyan, just mute yourself from your side. Yes, Nalini.
Miss, I want to ask that can we submit that letter tomorrow because it is raining and
When you will come, you bring that properly along with you.
ma'am tomorrow?
When you will come along with you,
Yes, ma'am.
then bring it signed.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Vidya.
Ma'am, in the book, figure 5.2, adding transactions. So, ma'am, in that one,
Transactions, no transactions. Transition. Transaction is with money, beta.
okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, in this one option is given dissolve. So, ma'am, can you show that on the Microsoft PowerPoint once?
Transition. Here you can see dissolve.
Yes, ma'am.
Dissolve. Now, for that, I have to insert something. Let's go for this one. Let's insert here some good thing so that it will be clear to you more clearly. With a smiley. Okay. So this one I want to have and transition from this slide to this slide. I'm going to go. So transition is for this particular slide. I'm adding. Let's add something here so that it will be clear. Some other options I should add here. So that it will be clear that how slides are changing. Okay, for that I'm inserting some. You can insert more things. Fine. Now you can identify 4 different slides. Now I'm adding the transition. Transition is always there on slides, remember. Now as I have clicked on dissolve, this way it will appear. Fine. Now I want to apply it to all. Then what should I do? What should I do? Here? Dissolve? Fine? Here? Dissolve? Here? Dissolve. Then the same way everything is happening. Now let's have the preview. Okay? Now this is one slide. I want to see the all. Then what should I do? This is dissolved. Now I want to change. Here, first slide is dissolved. Next one I want it to be. Third one I want to be. Fourth one. Okay. Now let's have the slideshow. Sorry, on the last one we were no. First one I have to click. First slide. Second slide. Third slide. And the fourth slide. Clear? So as you will click the transition effect, that way one slide will change to another. Clear? Same you can have, or you can have different on different slides. Understood? Yes, Shreyashi? Sorry, Shreyanshi. Unmute yourself, Shreyanshi, and ask a question. And remove your hand or whatever is there in front of the camera.
Miss, Miss, I have to ask that Miss, when I am playing the video, then the voice is not coming.
For that, when we will study now how to insert the audio at that particular time, I will tell you. Right now, we are dealing with audio. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
Yes, Shrestha?
Miss, I have to ask that Miss tomorrow is first batch online, Miss physical class. So Miss, the second batch online class will be there.
No. Tomorrow onwards, no online class will be there. The second batch can prepare themselves for the next day when you have to come.
Okay, Miss.
Means in a week, each batch will get 3 classes in the school. On the means first batch will be alternate. On Monday they have to come, then on Wednesday, and then on
Miss
Friday. Friday. Means on alternate days, each batch have to come.
Okay, Miss, thank
So
you.
I think you will be there in the second batch.
Yes, Miss.
Come on Thursday then. On Thursday you will come, and then on Saturday you will come, and then on Monday you will come.
Okay, Miss.
No, sorry, not Monday. Tuesday.
Yes, Miss Tuesday. Thank you, Miss.
Yes, Nalini.
Miss, I want to ask that in when we are inserting a audio and that the icon come of that sound icon, if we don't want then that icon, so what we can do?
I have shown you that option was written. Hide. Let's go there. Option is there, no? Your
Yes,
format
ma'am.
is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Playback is there. These two options are coming. You can see here option hide during show.
Yes, ma'am.
Option available. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ruchan.
Miss, I want to ask that, Miss, my roll number is 30. So, Miss, I will count from Thursday to school.
You have got that notice, no, from your class teacher?
Yes, Miss, I can't understand that.
So, on which day your thing was written?
Miss, it was written that Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday.
So you have to come on Tuesday. Your roll number is lying on Tuesday and Thursday and Saturday. So on these 3 days you have to come.
Okay, Miss. Thank you.
You should have asked these questions from your class teacher. Yes, Abhay?
Miss, we will get any timetable that which book we have to bring.
Your class teacher has not sent you. In that one where your thing is being given on which day you have to come, there itself below when you will scroll, you will see that. Have you opened that file properly?
Miss, I will see today properly.
It's there given.
Thank you.
And if it is not there, you ask your class teacher. Yes, the last question I am taking. Yes, Adya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
Sorry for asking it because you said that ask to your class teacher.
Ask your query.
Ma'am, that has to say that my roll number is once I have to come in Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So I have to ask that that left day there is
No
online.
other classes will be there. You have to prepare yourself for the next day.
Okay, ma'am.
Whatever homework or whatever things will be taught, you can learn them in that particular days. No online classes will be there. Yes, Nishit.
Yes, ma'am. We can submit the consent letter tomorrow also.
Bring it along with you when you are coming.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Shriyanshi.
Miss, I have to ask that, Miss, my roll number is 45. I have to go tomorrow or day after tomorrow.
Your second batch is there, no? You are there in the second batch now. Second batch is on Tuesday,
Thursday and Saturday.
Thursday, and Saturday. So you have to come on Thursday, and then you have will come on Saturday.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, Pratyusha.
Ma'am, I was not able to attend 2 classes because I joined the meeting in first class, so it was not connecting. So I thought today there will be no classes.
No issue. What I can say now, when you will come, everything will be revised once. Yes, ask your subject teacher, whomsoever will teach there in your class, because in 6A, I have not got any class. No issue. Ask your subject teacher, that person will tell you. Okay?
Ma'am, video will be uploaded?
Video will be uploaded.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, up till today only it will be uploaded. Tomorrow onwards, nothing will be there. Okay? So that's all from my side. Meet you people tomorrow. Those who have to come tomorrow. Goodbye.